Hand hygiene is an important topic for YYOC. Not only for COVID, rather very important for pediatric residents जब कभी भी हम neonates देख रहे होते हैं. There are classically 7 steps: palms to palms, back or dorsum of hands, between fingers or interdigital, knuckles, nails, thumbs, and wrist. Each step should take at least 5 seconds. Of these, 5 steps are done one at a time on each hand. These are back or dorsum of hands, knuckles, nails, thumbs, and wrist.
Then you rub palms
Like
to
this.
palms 5 times. 3, 4, 5. Then each back of palm 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then in between the fingers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The knuckles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The nail tips 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then thumbs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then wrist 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Open the
English में मतलब आसानी से याद रखने के लिए not in any definite order. The mnemonic is सुई मांग, where S is for सीधा, U is for उल्टा, I is for interdigital, that is between the fingers, M is for मुट्ठी, that is knuckles, A is for अंगूठा, N is for नाखून, and K is for कलाई. The entire process should take 60 seconds, that is 1 minute approximately. कैसे? 7 steps for 5 seconds each, that is 35 seconds, and 5 steps involving both hands one by one, that is 25. So 35 plus 25, that is 60 seconds. The WHO gives 11 steps for hand wash. The first is labeled as 0 and it is wet hands. Second is apply soap. Step 2 to 7 are the same as which we had demonstrated, but the WHO does not include cleaning the wrist. 8th is wash hands, 9th is dry hands, 10th is close the tap, and 11th is hands are safe. The WHO also gives 8 steps for hand rub. These 1A and B apply the hand rub, 2 to 7 are the same as we had seen except the wrist, and 8 is hands are safe. The last step in both wash and rub as per the WHO is hands are safe. The WHO steps of hand wash and hand rub are definitely asked in the exam. In hand rub, you must remember that each step should take 2 seconds in comparison to hand wash, where they should take at least 5 seconds. A total of 20 seconds for hand rub. 6 steps each of 2 seconds, that is 12 seconds, and 4 steps involving both hands one by one, that is 8 seconds. So a total of 12 plus 8, that is 20 seconds. This is the minimum time required for hand rub. In comparison to the WHO, the Centers for Disease Control, that is CDC, gives only 5 steps: wet, lather, scrub, rinse, and then dry hands. But the WHO steps are asked in the exam in comparison to the CDC steps. Then there are moments of hand hygiene. वैसे तो कोविड पैंडेमिक में almost every moment is a moment of hand hygiene. But otherwise, from medicine point of view, there are 5 moments. First is before touching a patient. Second is before a clean or aseptic procedure. Third is after body or fluid exposure. Fourth is after touching a patient. And fifth is after touching the patient's surroundings. So, 2 moments are before and there are 3 moments which are after. The WHO also mentions about the gloves pyramid. This glove pyramid tells us when sterile gloves are indicated, when examination gloves are indicated, and when the gloves are not indicated at all. But these are almost never asked in pediatrics, maybe from surgery residents. So I have not discussed them in detail, but if you want, you can take a snapshot of the video of the scene previously shown. Thank you very much. Keep learning, keep enjoying, and keep sanitizing and washing your hands. Keep preparing for your exams. Thank you.